Hello my wonderful people, this is Vivi Show. In today's video, I'm going to teach you people how to prepare cucumber juice for flat tummy. Let's get started. Now, I'm going to blend all the whole ingredients I'm going to use for this. So, as you can see, I'm putting my parsley and celery. So after that, I put ginger, then I cut the lemon and add. After adding the lemon I use half. I'm going to cut the cucumber. As you can see how I'm cutting the cucumber, I'm cutting the cucumber with the back because it's an organic. So, after cutting the cucumber, I add the cucumber inside the blender. After that, I cover the blender and begin to blend it. You know, all these recipes that I use, they has a lot of health benefits. The cucumber, I use parsley, celery, ginger, and lemon. All this has a lot of health benefits. Their health benefits are: they help to purify the skin, they help to clean out bad cholesterol and underlying infection. It gets rid of toxins in the body. They also boost the digestive system and help you to process food quickly. It has a lot of vitamins like vitamin K, A, C, B9. They purify liver and prevent you from having tumor. And it helps in weight loss and increase your energy. And it keeps your eyes very healthy. As you can see, I have finished blending it. It is now to bring out the water from the shelf. If you like this channel, please don't forget to put like, subscribe, comment, share to your loved ones, and press the notification bell. And to you all my subscribers, I say you all are amazing. Thank you. May God bless you all for your support and encouragement. You know, it is good to live in a healthy way. There is no need for you to be using your money to be buying drugs. Why? God has already created the drugs for us. So the best thing for us to do is to take good care of our body, look attractive, because the word of God said that cleanliness is close to godliness. I forgot to tell you that I added a little pinch of salt inside the blender when I was blending it, in order to kill the germs, because I did not put it in fire. So I have to put the small pinch of salt to prevent the germs. please like. Don't forget to like. Like our people normally say, age is nothing but a number. When you take good care of yourself, there's nothing like aging. You will see yourself being every year young. As you can see, this is the outcome of the everything. Now, I'm going to put inside the cup for you to see the beauty of it. Wow, this is very nice and very natural. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for everything. I'm gonna see you people in my next video. This is the outcome. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Ciao. I love you all. Please don't forget to stay healthy. Ciao.